say everything is temporary. Who the hell are they anyways? I wanna know, where does love go to die? Is it some sad empty castle in the sky? Did we just shoot too high and smooth like wine? You walk by and it's like buckets never touch. No love, you hold me close, but I don't feel much. I cry, maybe time isn't on our side. We had a thing, but we lost it. One more go, I kinda thought if it took it slow, it might be easier for us to know. I know we've never been quite here before. I wish I knew it when we lost it. You used to try to wake the beast in me, and still a very sweet big part of me inside. I've been waiting to come alive. You stared